My gosh, I'm so bored, man. Bet you $20 that I can do the biggest burp. Yo, bet, actually. Look, listen to this burp right here. Pretty impressive, but I don't think you can do a burp bigger than this. Alright. Well, pay attention to this one, because this one's going to be the biggest out of all of you guys. And you guys are going to give me the $20, both of you. Alright, let's see it then. Alright, I think you did have the biggest burp.
You guys think that was the biggest burp? Well, I mean, yeah, obviously I had the biggest burp. Well, why don't you guys try this? Excuse me.